Looks like we're recording. Welcome back to Dr. T's Gee-Rhage. Not in the garage today. Over at the Utica Gasoline Alley car show, one of my favorite car shows. I already have all the cars lined up, getting ready to let them in. Trying to get good view without the sun in the way. Here you have a little bit of everything. That's why I love this car show. Let me zoom in. Got some cool cars there. Got some muscle cars. Kind of a more modern Mustang there. Some more muscle cars. Old T-Bird. A Corvette. Another nice Chevy there. Nice Pontiac convertible. Another Vet. This must be the blue section. All the cars are blue. And just they're all lined up. They shut down the entire downtown, lined them all up. They've been here since my dad got here at 7, and he was kind of later in line. Nice Mustang there. Another Mustang. Then a Plymouth. Thought we were gonna have a whole line of Mustangs there. There we go, behind this Plymouth. Newer Mustang. Nice old truck there. Nice Ford 100. One day. That's my next one after the Shoebox. This is a mystery one. Wondering what he got in here. What's it gonna be? I'll take a picture later and post it because I'm kind of curious. It's long too. If you look at how long this thing is, there's probably, I can't even get it all in one frame. I'm backing up. Can't even get it all in one frame. There's probably 2 cars in there. Could be 2 cars in there. Here, let me get that. That one's really cool. That pink one there. There's my dad in his truck. S10, mint condition. Perfect shape. There we go. Suicide doors. Maybe that might be my next project. I don't know. Classic hot rod there. Not even to the end of it yet. Another Vet there. Another Chevy. Another Chevy. That's the kind my daughter wants right there. Another Ford truck. Maybe one of those I might get one day. Oh, there's a really nice car there. Convertible. Oh, it's kind of hard to see, but see that? The Vet back there. I love the fins on there, man. Check out those. Hold on, let me zoom in. Check out the taillights. The fins and the taillights, man. That's freaking awesome. Kind of a newer Mustang. Nice Chevy truck. And they take all kinds of cars here. You see some of the classics, you see kind of more newer ones here. So a little bit of everything. Another one kind of newer, looks pretty nice. I'm still not quite to the end yet. And I didn't even go all the way to the beginning. Like to the beginning, and there's a ton parked on the side already. So almost to the end. Got a newer Mustang there. Nice T-Bird there. That one's for sale, looks like. Yeah, got for sale sign, sweet. And then yeah, that's the end of it. So as you can see, it's a long line of cars already here. If we go, they got the entire downtown area shut down. All the cars are lined up, and that's not even, there was a bunch on the side. You can probably see there's a blue one on the side. Too far away to really tell. Can't really see much with this little camera here, but yeah. And this is before the show, so you know how shows go. There's going to be another 50 cars show up once it opens, probably. So yeah, been trying to do more car show content. You know, get out of the garage once in a while. I was hoping to have mine ready for this show. Oh, there you can see the vet. Hurry before someone else blocks it again. There it goes. So I was hoping to have mine ready for this, but as you can see, messed up my hand. So hard to do wiring with one hand. So I don't have mine here, which sucks. It's pretty much what I've been planning for the last 6 months, was to be at this show, but what are you gonna do? But still gonna be a good show. Gonna hang out with my dad and his old S10, and yeah, check out a lot of the cars. They have a swap meet here, so that's pretty cool. I set up at the swap meet last year, trying to sell all the extra parts I got from or that I bought when I was restoring the Ranchero. So yeah, the swap meet here is pretty good. Made some decent money at the, I mean, I lost money on all the parts, but you know, sold a lot of stuff at the swap meet last year, so that was good. And I didn't end up buying anything, which was nice. So I ended up getting rid of stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much everything. Love that car, love that convertible, love that Ford pickup there. Love this Chevy. My daughter wants one of those so bad. As soon as she gets her license and been driving a couple of years, we'll probably get her one. But yeah, a little bit of everything. Later on we'll do maybe another video for the, sorry, hard to walk and keep this thing steady. We'll do an unveiling, see what was in this enclosed trailer here. Bet you there's probably at least 2 cars gonna be in there. So yeah, that's it for now. You know, I don't time it out this way, but almost all the videos end up being about there's my dad's truck. All the videos end up being about 7 or 8 minutes. Another cool thing about downtown Utica is we have our own baseball field, like minor league. So here's little pitchers or batting box thing here. Sorry, I can't think. It's kind of early in the morning, but yeah, these, I kept thinking these were people standing here, but you know, I mean, it's not. But yeah, we have our own little tiny, well, not tiny, but our own baseball field here in downtown Utica, in Utica, Michigan. There's my dad getting ready to come in. So yeah, that's it for now for Dr. T's Gee-Rhage. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.